Now, I have been using iRESTORE products for coming up on 4 months now, and if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know they were actually the first people to sponsor a video with me. They reached out and had some things that they wanted me to try in and around the world of hair loss, which is not something I talk a lot about on the channel, but it is definitely something that I have struggled with over the last few years. I noticed it when I was at my job before Publix due to kind of the stress and everything, putting on weight. I have been losing my hair in the shower, so I didn't go bald. I was absolutely noticing some hair loss in the shower. I have been using their products for about 4 months now, and we'll get into one of their products here in a little bit, but while we're here in the shower, I wanted to show you two of the things that I have been using, and that is their shampoo and conditioner. I have been using this for about 4 months now, and I would say the biggest thing that I have noticed when it comes to my hair loss is I have stopped shedding in the shower, which if I continued at the rate that I was going, it would not be long before I was completely bald. So I use this every time I'm in the shower. It's their shampoo and conditioner, iRESTORE, and I'll talk about some more of their products here in a little bit. But first, sponsor of the channel, and I'm excited to do kind of a 4-month follow-up. Have been using it and happy to report that the shedding in the shower has stopped. All right, now it's time to get some work done at the computer, but before we get into that, I'm gonna talk about one of the things that I'm using while I'm at the computer, and that is the iRESTORE device. Again, I've been using them for about 4 months now, and this is really the reason that I think my shedding has stopped and I have seen some improvement in my hair loss, is this low-level laser and LED therapy. I do this once every other day for 25 minutes. I'm doing it one of two places. I'm either doing it when I'm here working on the computer if I'm not recording any check-in videos, or I'm doing it at night while I'm watching some TV. It's just 25 minutes a day. The way that the device works is you turn it on, it counts down from 20 minutes, and then as you wear it, the way that they describe it is it's kind of like watering plants, right? So are you going to see a miracle after the first time using it? No, but it's like a maintenance thing that you do. One of the things that I like about it, because I am very busy all the time, is that I can wear this while I'm doing other things. So the device is FDA cleared, and again, you just do this 25 minutes every other day. I've been using it now for coming up on 4 months and have absolutely seen an improvement in the rate of hair loss, as well as my hair is starting to come back just a little thicker, so I'm excited to continue on progress. And again, this is something that I'm just able to continue to do and fit it into my life. So iRESTORE is running a sale right now. If you use code RyanJ and follow the link in the description of this video, you can get $400 off of the purchase of a Pro device. Be sure to check that out. Again, not a lot of sponsors on this channel. I only work with companies that I use the product and have seen a result. A lot of people reach out, and iRESTORE is absolutely one that I have used and will continue to use. Again, just kind of this idea of overall health, wellness. My self-confidence was absolutely affected when I was shedding in the shower. And honestly, if I had not started using iRESTORE, I can imagine probably less than a year from now, I would have some serious hair loss issues, just because every time I showered, I was pulling out clumps of hair, and that is something that has stopped in these last 4 months. So iRESTORE is something that I'm going to keep using. Again, thank you to iRESTORE for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out. Again, follow the link in this description of the video and use code RyanJ for $400 off the purchase of a Pro device. Other than that, it's time to get back into some work, and we will see you here in a little bit when it's time to break my fast and grab something to eat.